आइसक्रीम्स हम सबको बहुत पसंद हैं एंड वी डू क्रेव अ लॉट फॉर आइसक्रीम्स, बट हम यही सोचते रहते हैं कि इन्हें खाएंगे तो मोटे हो जाएंगे. बट टुडे वी आर गोना मेक हेल्दी पॉप्सिकल्स फॉर एवरीवन आउट देयर विद द गुडनेस ऑफ फ्रूट्स, chocolate, coconut and coffee. So why wait? Let's get started. To make a coconut popsicle, first we need to warm our coconut milk a bit. So take a vessel, add the coconut milk. Now you need to warm it only for about a minute. Now after heating our milk a little bit, we're gonna add some cardamom powder for a little bit flavor, and next we'll add some honey. And the best part about it is that we are not going to use any kind of refined sugar in it. And you can adjust the quantity of honey according to your taste. Now we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence to enhance the flavor. And for some more taste, we're going to add some coconut shavings into this. And also, if you want to add some cut pieces of coconut, you can also add that instead of these shavings. Now mix it well. Transfer the milk into the jar. Now take your popsicle mold, and you don't need to worry if you do not have popsicle mold. You can also use the disposable paper cups or any kind of ice tray. Transfer the mixture into your popsicle mold. And this smells really nice. Now close it. Now let's move on to make our next very yummy chocolate fudgesicle. So to make a very creamy and very chocolatey chocolate fudgesicle, first we need to prepare a kind of hot chocolate. So just add milk into the vessel, and to this add some cocoa powder, and to enhance the chocolatey flavor add some coffee, some pieces of dark chocolate, which I know that everyone will love dark chocolate in it. And for sweetness, add honey, or you can also add sugar in it. Now give it a good mix. We all love chocolate so much, and if we get to eat it in a form of fudgesicle, how amazing is that, right? Now as you can see, our hot chocolate is ready. Now first we need to cool down this at the room temperature before pouring this mixture into the popsicle mold. Lovely and creamy chocolate mixture is cooled now, so it's time to pour them into the popsicle mold. Wow, so yummy! Now next we'll make our fresh fruit popsicle. Yes, you guys heard it right. Fresh fruit popsicle. Fruits तो हम बहुत तरीकों से खाते हैं. Fruit चाट में, fruit salads में, raw fruits. But today we are gonna make a fresh fruit popsicle. You can take any fruit of your choice. I have taken here kiwi, pineapple and mango. You can also add strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, any fruit. So here I have taken coconut water. To give it a natural sweetness, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of honey into it and mix it well. Best part is ये fruit popsicles हम घर पर बना रहे हैं, so it is homemade, healthy and with the goodness of fruits and coconut water. Now start by adding your fruits into the popsicle mold. Some chunks of pineapple, mango and kiwi. Now add coconut water in it. And fill your popsicle mold completely. Now we'll make our iced coffee popsicles, and this is a perfect way to get your evening cup of coffee when it's hot outside. So what you need to do is take a cup of milk and add some powdered sugar in it for some sweetness. Now mix this well. To make our popsicle look more beautiful, first we gonna add milk into it. And let this set in the freezer for about 1 hour, and तब तक हमारी बाकी popsicles भी set हो जाएंगी. Now for our iced coffee popsicles, we're gonna make coffee, and for that we require the sweetened milk in which we have added sugar before. Now to this add some coffee according to your taste. Mix it well. Now our coffee is ready, and it's time to pour this coffee over the milk which we have kept in the freezer. Guys, हमारा मिल्क सेट हो चुका है. अब हम इसमें अपनी कॉफी पोर कर देंगे. बट यू नीड टू कीप वन थिंग इन माइंड कि कॉफी आपकी रूम टेम्परेचर पर हो. And now again keep it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. This coffee popsicle is really perfect for all the coffee lovers. Now keep all the popsicles into the freezer till they set and are ready to eat. So guys, it's been about 5 to 6 hours and our popsicles are ready. So let's demold them. Wow, this is our chocolate fudgesicle, and this is looking really yummy, and I'm very sure that this is gonna taste really amazing. Now let's demold all our popsicles. Ta-da! All our popsicles are ready, and they're looking so amazing that I just can't wait to have them. So this is our fresh fruit popsicle, which is so refreshing. Another is chocolate fudgesicle, creamy and chocolatey. This is a coconut popsicle, which is healthy and tasty, and this is iced coffee popsicle, which is perfect for the coffee lovers. So आप लोग भी जल्दी जाएं और इन popsicles को जरूर try करें. And do tell us in the comment section कि आपको कौन सी popsicle अच्छी लगी. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.